Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to send a file from iPad to Android mobile. So it is very easy. Currently, I don't have an iPhone, so I am using my iPad. How to use local send application to send a file from iPad to my Android mobile. And it is working only whenever you are connecting your both device in a same Wi-Fi network. And mobile hotspot does not work. That means you are turn on the hotspot from your Android mobile and connected to iPad. Most of the time that does not work. If you don't have any Wi-Fi network, you can use a third mobile to activate hotspot and connect these two devices to that device. Okay, so how to do that is very simple. Just connect your Wi-Fi network. I'm opening my Wi-Fi from my Android mobile and connecting to 5G, and also turn on my iPad Wi-Fi and connected to 5G. You can see here this is both of them connected to 5G. After that, just open your local send application from both devices. You can see here I'm opening local send. You can see here this is my iPad and this is my OnePlus 70, and I'm sending a file from iPad to OnePlus 70. So here you can see three options: receive, send. Select send, then select whatever you are sending, media, text, paste, or file or folder. Okay, so I'm selecting media and selecting this one. Okay, and click here confirm, then select the device. You can see here, then it will be received. Very easy. So you can close here, and that will be, you can see here this is received here. So we are opening that from gallery, all images. Then you can see this file is received, and where is received, you can see here it will be received on phone pictures folder. So in this way you can simply send any file from your iPad to your Android mobile. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And also you can send file from your Android to iPad. How to send that? Select the receive option and open local send, back, then select send option here and select media, then select any picture. I'm selecting this picture and confirm, and select device. You can see here my iPad is here, so touch that, it will be received. So you can simply click open, or you can exit from that application, go to photos, and you can see here recent days, that photo is here, that screenshot is here. So in this way you can simply send files between Android and iPad by using local send application. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.